What if I told you that Mercedes-Benz has just revealed a sedan that looks like it came straight from the year 2040? A car with a full-width LED front signature, a star-lit digital grille, a sleek coupe-like silhouette, and an interior that feels more like a spaceship cockpit than a luxury sedan. This is the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and today we're taking a deep dive into the design, the tech, and the future of the Mercedes lineup. Stay with me, because one specific feature inside this cabin might just change the way you think about luxury cars forever. Take a look at the front of the 2026 E-Class. Based on the image you're seeing, the entire front fascia has moved into a fully digital direction. The headlights feature a new triangular LED signature with crisp lines that immediately give the car a futuristic identity. A full-width horizontal light bar stretches across the nose, connecting both headlights, making the E-Class look wider, sharper, and dramatically more modern. But the real highlight here is the grille. It's no longer a traditional open grille. Instead, Mercedes uses a closed digital panel illuminated with hundreds of tiny LED light dots surrounding the iconic three-point star. The result is a front end that looks alive. This grille may hint at future Mercedes personalization features. Imagine patterns, animations, or even adaptive lighting in future software updates. Mercedes hasn't confirmed it yet, but the design absolutely suggests hidden capability. Moving to the side view, the 2026 E-Class takes on a clean and modern silhouette. The roofline is long and flowing, almost like a luxury coupe, but with the practicality of a sedan. Flush door handles give it a clean, uninterrupted surface, improving aerodynamics and adding to the premium feel. The sharp character line running across the body creates a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Combined with the large turbine-style wheels seen in the image, the E-Class delivers a confident stance that feels high-end without trying too hard. Here's something worth noting. Mercedes seems to be shaping the E-Class into a bridge between the S-Class and the EQ electric lineup. This model carries the sophistication of a flagship, but the fresh digital look of their newest EVs. And it raises a question we'll explore shortly. Is this the last E-Class before everything becomes fully electric? The rear of the 2026 E-Class continues the futuristic theme. A clean LED light bar stretches across the entire trunk, echoing the design language at the front. Beneath it sits an illuminated Mercedes emblem with a dotted digital pattern that mirrors the design of the front grille. The bumper looks sporty but minimalistic, with strong lines leading into a sculpted lower section. What's refreshing is the total absence of fake exhausts. Mercedes seems to be committing to a cleaner, more modern aesthetic. The E-Class badge sits quietly under the logo, almost as if Mercedes wants you to focus on the digital lighting and emblem more than the traditional nameplate. The inside of the 2026 E-Class might be the most visually stunning part of the entire car. The image reveals a massive, full-width digital display that spans across the entire dashboard. The screen blends seamlessly from the driver's cluster to the center infotainment and even an additional passenger display. Ambient lighting wraps around the entire cabin with soft, futuristic tones, reflecting off the panels and creating a floating effect. The steering wheel maintains the modern Mercedes design, with a clean, refined layout and illuminated details. The seats, finished in premium leather with geometric stitching, show that Mercedes hasn't abandoned traditional luxury even as they embrace a futuristic digital approach. The center screen displays a digital assistant interface with a realistic, human-like avatar. If Mercedes is hinting at next-generation AI interaction, this could completely change the user experience. Imagine personalized conversations, adaptive learning, and voice commands that feel natural instead of robotic. So that's the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a sedan that blends elegance, aerodynamics, digital lighting, and a future-ready interior into one stunning package. From the star-lit grille to the panoramic cockpit screen, Mercedes is clearly showing us where their next generation is heading. Would you choose this over a BMW 5 Series or Audi A6? And what do you think about the futuristic digital grille? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.